Good day to our professor, Mr. Wendell Aguirre. We are the group 10 who will presenting the whole chapters for the service delivery system, a quality service management case study of the V Hotel Housekeeping Department. Together, I'm with my colleagues, Suiza Andrea, Sunga Aryan, Torres Japet, and I am Nino Tarvega. May I call on the next reporter to explain the first chapters?
So speaking, introduction. In this study, researchers analyzed the operational system of the hotel and three-star establishment in Manila. Their goal is to understand its administrative structure and managerial process to improve service quality and address manpower challenges. Next is company profile. So, historical background. The View Hotel is located in Malate, Manila, has been serving guests since 2005, originally known as Rainbow Pacific Suites. It was rebranded in 2012 under new management owned by British national Mr. Melvin Boas and managed by his daughter JV Claudette. The hotel boasts 58 rooms and rooftop pool and cafe, with a focus on providing a friendly environment and excellent service. Next is the company trust, which is the VOT is committed to building trust with stakeholders by aligning its mission, vision, core values, and objections. So, the mission is to exceed customers' expectation by providing international standards of facilities and services. The vision is to foster collaborative partnership locally and internationally to ensure guest comfort and satisfaction, sustain revenue growth, and promote efficient, responsible resource management for long-term success. Then, core values includes a commitment to quality service, prioritizing customer loyalty, and providing a professional environment for staff growth and development. Company goals includes continuous revenue growth, reducing operation costs, increasing occupancy rates, enhancing guest satisfaction, experiencing and engaging sustainable initiatives and partnership. So, objectives are to achieve collaborative partnership, ensure guest comfort and satisfaction, sustain revenue growth, and promote efficient, responsible resource management for long-term success. Next is here's the organizational chart. Then, the job description it outlines the responsibility, duties, and qualifications required for specific posts within the organization. So, the so entry level is positions typically outline the basic requirements and qualifications necessary for candidates to be considered for the role. Next is the mid-level, typically build upon the foundation set for entry-level roles and add more depth of complexity. The next is supervisorial level, typically associated with candidates for supervisorial roles often hold a bachelor's degree or higher in a relevant field. Then next is the managerial level, supposed to have a strong leadership abilities, a paramount for visceral roles. Candidates should be demonstrate the capacity to inspire and motivate team members, provide guidance, and foster a positive work environment. Next, here's the pictures of the V Hotel. Next reporter po.
Suisa Andres speaking po. Standard operating procedure. This process have been approved by management and are expected to be followed by housekeeping personnel to ensure consistency, accuracy, and quality in serving clientele. Next slide po. These flowcharts explain how to get a hotel room ready for guests. It involved cleaning, making the bed, checking electronic, and restocking supplies. The occupied room is the most crucial part because there are many steps involved and there is a guest inside the room. Next slide po. Next, preparing the checkout room. It involved setting up the bed, chairs and furniture correctly, mopping the guest room floor, cleaning the writing tables, and arranging stationery, scrubbing the bathroom, restocking toiletries, and electrical fridge. Next slide po. Next is the researcher's analysis of the V Hotel standard operating procedure. The table shows cleaning the room before check-in. For the number one, we rate it a 3 because they didn't finish making the bed on time. They claim they could complete it in 1 minute, but they actually took 2 minutes and 35 seconds to finish. For number two, researchers rate it a 1 because they didn't check the appliances in the room. For the number five, researchers rate it a 3 because bathroom wall tiles is not scrubbed. Next slide. The next task is cleaning an occupied room. For the number four, the researchers rate it a 1 because there was no response due to the guests having checked out. Next slide. In number seven, researchers rate it a 1 because the door was not closed during the cleaning operation. Next slide. For the next task is cleaning room for checkout. And for the number 3 and 5, researchers rate it a 1 because the housekeeping did not check. Next slide po. Statement of the problem. Next slide po. This chapter aims to see the perspective of the customer, employee, managers, and researchers regarding the housekeeping services provided by the V Hotel. Next slide. Customer's perspective. According to the customer's perspective, staying at the hotel was displeasing due to poor service and unsatisfactory condition. Customers stated dirty room in need for renovation and maintenance issues. Complaints included unpleasant odor, dirty bedding, bed bugs, and leaking shower, leading to an overall negative experience. Customers described it as the worst stay they ever had, citing old rooms and insufficient amenities like thin blanket. Next slide. Employment perspective. According to the employees, the need for better internet reception has been brought to their attention. Employees stated that there is a shortage of available cleaning materials and facilities to store them. Also, the employees have mentioned that some of their linens are stained and cannot be cleaned due to a shortage. Also, they have no choice but to use them regardless. Next slide. Management perspective. As per the management statement, the housekeepers are not meeting the standard processes for efficient customer handling. Also, the manager stated that the shortage of cleaning material and supplies impact their ability to monitor inventory effectively. According to the manager, customers often experience delay during check-in because the room are not yet clean and prepared. Lastly, based on the manager, guests' complaint and comments regarding room cleanliness consistently are raised due to substandard service from the housekeeping department. Next slide po. Researchers' perspective. The researchers observed that the two housekeepers assigned to clean the deluxe room were unable to complete the 30 minutes time frame for the entire room. They mentioned that the housekeeper left their cart along the hallway instead of acquiring them beside the door of the room for easy access. They also observed that despite the housekeepers noticing soiled and stained bedsheet, they failed to replace them with clean ones. They also observed that the housekeepers were keeping personal water bottles on their cart, which raised concern regarding hygiene. We all know that this is a hazard for both employee and the hotel's standard operating procedure. Next reporter po.
Torres speaking. In Chapter 5, we are to present a visual diagram that represents the cause and effect of the problem stated in Chapter 4. There will be 4 different perspectives, and in each perspective will be 3 different problems that the hotel encounters. First is the customer perspective. Next slide, please. First problem that the hotel receives from customers is the dirty rooms. This is due to poor housekeeping services. Next is the bad odor of the rooms, also an outcome from poor housekeeping services and unfollowed company SOP. Third is the old rooms or overused rooms of the hotel. This is from the shortage of budget from the management to renovate and improve their rooms. Next is the employee's perspective. First problem that the employees encounter is the complaint of customers regarding the poor internet connection in the hotel. Second is that the housekeeping cannot perform their jobs well as the management fails to give them supplies that they need. Third is the customers' complaints that the employees receive that the employees receive from customers instead of the management people handling it. Next is the management perspective. First is the inventory monitoring skill set that the employees lack, which can cause errors that the management don't want. Next is the next slide, please. Next is the inavailability of rooms due to frequent scheduling errors. Third one is the substandard services that the employees deliver for the hotel. And lastly, the researcher's perspective. First problem that the researchers have noticed was the failure of the employees to execute their company's standard operating procedure. Second is the employees' improper handling of equipment that may cause hazardous effects. And last is the dirty sheets and bed of the hotel. This is due to lack of enough supplies and equipment that the management failed to give. Next, please.
For the recommendation, the first slide is for the customer's perspective. For the customer's perspective, in delivery system failures, the researcher's recommendation for the dirty room is every applicant must have TESDA or national certificate or so-called NC2 at least a basic requirement when hiring a housekeeper personnel. For number two, for bad odor and available rooms, the researcher's suggestion is to change a suppliers that have a lower cost of products yet to have a good quality. For the distasteful old rooms hotel stay, the researcher's recommendation is to do an online marketing to encourage and have more investors to renovate the V hotel. The next slide. The employee's perspective of the system delivery failure, the poor internet connection, the researcher's recommendation is to extend the Wi-Fi router every 3 floors of the hotel. Housekeepers could not perform well if the researcher's recommendation is to have one more manager for housekeeping department to avoid the overload task of an employee in the housekeeping department. Number three is to avoid customer complaint. The researcher's suggestion to this is to improve the SOP that focus more on guests, such as a verbal greetings and unique gestures. Next slide. Manager's perspective on establishment delivery system failures, lack of inventory monitoring, the researcher's recommendation should hire one more personnel to conduct internal auditing. But before this, as we mentioned, the hotel should have investors first so the hotel can be able to hire. Number two is no room availability for this. The researcher's recommendation should divide the task properly by the manager in housekeeping so they can have more productive. This is made to avoid employees overload of work. Number three is the substandard service. The researcher's recommendation should implement a certain requirement when hiring in housekeeping department, as mentioned earlier, that have NC2 in TESDA. This will help the housekeeper will be more competitive and devoted. Next slide. Researchers' observation, failure to execute company SOP. The researcher's recommendation is that the management must focus on quality over quantity, means that even with the current staff shortage, they may hire applicants that at least college graduate or have NC2 certificate in housekeeping. Improper handling of equipment, the researcher's recommendation is that management should have at least 1 month of training. Dirty sheets and beds, the researcher's recommendation is that the management should have multiple check-up of linens from third-party service to avoid these dirty sheets and to add bed scent to make the room more comfortable. Next slide, please. For the chapter 7 appendices, in this chapter, it indicates the proof of researcher's journey toward the hotel's housekeeping department. And in this picture, you can see here the reviews via online that we, the researchers, gathered. Next slide, please. And here in the Appendix B, employee's perspective, the researcher's interaction between the housekeepers of the hotel while cleaning the room. Next slide. For figure 4.3, researcher's interaction between the supervisor of the hotel. Next slide. And the figure 4.1 is the different type of rooms of the B hotel. Next slide, please. Next slide. Here is the additional photos and proof that we researchers have during our interview and survey in the V Hotel, Malate. Next slide. In this slide, it is the references, the website that we get the reviews from the customers, and the website of the V Hotel. Next slide. And that is the end of our presentation for the case study of the V Hotel Housekeeping Department. Thank you for listening.